Assalamualaikum dear friends. I hope all friends YouTube family will be fine and doing well. God bless you. So dear friends, first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hidden Decoration. I'm very thankful to you for subscribing my channel, watching me all the previous videos. Also thanks to connected with me and supporting me. Dear friends, in this video I am sharing with you latest whimsical and mind-blowing designs of kitchen counter. A kitchen counter, also known as countertop, is a critical element of any kitchen design, serving both functional and aesthetic purposes. Positioned atop base cabinets, kitchen counters provide a sturdy and accessible surface for a multitude of tasks, including food preparation, cooking, dining, and storage. They are typically installed at height that is comfortable for the average person to work out, often around 30 inches from the floor. Dear friends, kitchen counters come in a variety of materials, each offering distinct advantages in terms of durability, maintenance, and appearance. Known for its natural beauty and unique patterns, granite is a popular choice for kitchen counters. It's highly durable, resistant to scratches and heat, and adds a luxurious feel to the kitchen. Kitchen counters are designed to be both practical and visually appealing. They often feature built-in elements such as sinks, cooktops, and cutting boards. Some counters include overhangs to create breakfast bars or sitting area, making the kitchen a social hub for family and friends. Kitchen counter is an essential component that combines functionality with style. It serves as the primary workspace in the kitchen, supporting various activities and enhancing the room's overall aesthetic. The choice of material, designs, and edge profile can significantly influence the countertop's performance and the kitchen's ambience, making it a key consideration in any kitchen remodel or designs project. So please support my channel and please subscribe my YouTube channel. After subscribing my channel, you will receive the latest and new updates related to decoration. You can tell me in comment section if you have these beautiful ideas. Your comment is very important for me and reading your comments. So be connected with me. Don't forget press the bell icon. I will meet in my next video. So take care. Remember me in your precious prayers.